Your products are subjected to a whole host of hazards while in transport, including heavy knocks and drops. But let's go back to the beginning. Storopack's innovative paper cushions offer perfect all-around protection and optimal packaging solutions for a variety of applications. Transport goods arrive safely at their destination. The Paper Plus Track machine system is designed for applications in which high throughput and secure packaging material are a must. Paper cushions are produced in mere seconds directly at the packing station, offering exceptional padding despite a limited use of material. The system is ideal for medium to large packages weighing between 5 and 30 kilograms. Thanks to the Paper Plus Track paper cushions, shipping goods can be reliably blocked and braced, as well as protected from knocks. The individual padding characteristics of the paper cushion can be adapted to meet specific requirements via the easy-to-use touchscreen, thus achieving an even more efficient, cost-optimized use of material. Users also benefit from the especially safe, blade-free technology of the Paper Plus Track. The paper is perforated, making it extremely easy to separate individual paper cushions, which in turn minimizes the formation of dust. The continuous paper can be replaced in just a few steps, guaranteeing seamless, fast production processes. Everything about the Paper Plus Track is designed for speed. Thanks to the on-demand function, the system automatically produces paper cushions as soon as one has been removed. But the length and number of paper cushions to be produced can also be adjusted automatically on the touchscreen or defined using the foot pedal. As an alternative to the touchscreen, the machine's new Wi-Fi function also offers the option to control the system externally using a smartphone or a tablet. Thanks to its compact dimensions, the Paper Plus Track can be integrated into existing distribution lines with ease. Fast, safe, and efficient packaging with Storopack's intelligent Paper Plus Track paper cushion system.